Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can easily integrate IDM into Google Chrome. Simply click on the extension icon and go to manage extensions. From here turn on the developer mode. Now once done, simply go to C drive, program files in 26, internet download manager. From here find the IDM gcext.crx file. Now simply select and drag it over to Google Chrome. Now click on add extension and that's it. Now if the first method did not work out for you, then go to Chrome Web Store and if you search here IDM integration module, you will not get it. So go to the video description and copy this link and paste it in your browser. That's it. Now from here click on add to Chrome and finally add extension. That's it. The job will be done. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if this helped. Thank you.